In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable hardware acceleration in Microsoft Edge. If your browser feels choppy, videos flicker, or Edge crashes unexpectedly, turning off hardware acceleration can help. Hardware acceleration hands some visual tasks to your computer's GPU. That's great for performance when everything works smoothly, but on certain systems or with specific drivers, it can cause glitches. Let's walk through how to turn it off safely and apply the change right away. Start by launching Microsoft Edge. Give it a moment to fully load so all settings are available. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, sometimes labeled Settings and More. This opens Edge's main menu with everything you need to adjust how the browser behaves. Inside that menu, open the Settings area so you can see Edge's full preferences. On the left-hand side of the settings screen, you'll find a sidebar with categories. Click System and Performance. This section controls how Edge uses your computer's resources, including your CPU and GPU. On the right, locate the System section. Find the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. In older versions of Edge, you might have seen this labeled as hardware acceleration, but it's the same feature. Toggle that switch off. When you do, Edge prepares to stop using your GPU for those tasks the next time it restarts. This change can reduce video tearing, fix UI flicker, and stabilize performance on machines with older or finicky graphics drivers. Just keep in mind that on powerful systems with stable drivers, disabling it might slightly reduce smoothness in animations or video playback. If that happens, you can always come back here and turn it back on later. After switching the toggle off, a restart button will appear. Click Restart to apply the change immediately. Edge will close and reopen, and your tabs should restore automatically. If you're working on something important, make sure everything is saved before you restart, just to be safe. Once Edge relaunches, try the activity that was giving you trouble. Play a video, scroll a page, or switch between tabs, and see if the issue is resolved. If you notice any new sluggishness, you can revisit System and Performance and re-enable Use Graphics Acceleration when available. And if you don't see the option at all, ensure Edge is up to date, since wording and placement can vary slightly across versions. That's it. You've disabled hardware acceleration in Microsoft Edge and applied the change right away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your browser run more smoothly.